you got skin to skin on my neck. Don't you stop.
What is up, you guys? So, hey, today is going to be a swaggy video for y'all. I don't even know where to start with this. Really even know where to start with this idea. Today's video, I decided I wanted to take a week, today is Sunday, and take this week and try and embrace my edgy side, because I do have one. I just don't choose really to show it. I got this video idea because right now, Billie Eilish just released her new album, and I don't know, for some reason that just got me in the mood to be edgy. So I don't know, I just kind of wanted to explore that side of me because I haven't really in the past, hello? So if you watch my videos for a long time, or you just know me personally, as a friend or family, you know I'm kind of girly. I'm not overly girly, but I'm just not really edgy and tough and grungy, you know, I'm just not. But I have lately kind of felt that way. I don't know why. I've just been kind of inspired by that lately, and I don't know, Billie Eilish's new album just really got me in that mindset. I don't know why. So I wanted to try and embrace that side of me in this week's video. Anyway, so I'm going to be putting together outfits. I'm going to be painting my nails, and I'm going to do some grungy makeup looks for, I guess you'd call them edgy, I don't know, for school. And so basically what I'm going to be doing is challenging myself to wear these outfits and do all this throughout the week. I'm super nervous for this part of the video because I go to a school that's very small. They all know me a certain way. They don't know the edgy, you know, angsty side of me, so I'm kind of nervous. I don't know what they're gonna think. I don't know. Basically, I'm going to try on a bunch of outfits for you guys. I only have one specific outfit in my mind right now that I definitely want to do, but I have to look up other ones because I have no idea. This needs to come out. Anyway, so I don't know. This is going to be a very interesting video. I don't know how this is going to turn out, but I'm really going to try and challenge myself to do a little bit more makeup for school than I usually do, because I usually don't do much. Even with my outfit, I don't even do that much for my outfits. Usually leggings and a sweatshirt. This week is going to be interesting. But it's okay because we're stepping out of our comfort zone. 2019. So first step is outfits. So for outfits, I wanted to first set you guys up against the wall that's right here. You can't see it, but it's a wall. And just try and pick out outfits with you guys for funsies. Why not? And then throughout the week, you wear the outfits and show you and stuff like that. So that's for the outfits. For hair, I have no clue. No clue. I'm so nervous. I don't know why. Anyway, so for makeup, I want to do a couple different things. You guys will just see each day, but we'll see. And yeah, like I said, I'm going to paint my nails. I'm going to get people's reactions. I can't get them on camera, unfortunately, but I can get my mom's reaction on camera. But just tell you guys what the kids at my class think. And yeah, I don't know. Okay, we need to start off with the outfits, so let's go. Okay, so basically, before this part of the video goes on, I just have to mention real quick that my camera, for some reason, in each clip of that I'm showing you the outfits, went slowly more out of focus, so you can just see the difference between the different outfits, how they're getting more out of focus, and I don't know why, and it makes me so mad because I love this part. And I actually, if you see me talking, that's me trying to explain the outfits, but you can barely even see me, and I forgot to put the mic on, so the audio is awful. So I just decided to make a cute little montage of everything, because that way you can still see my ideas, my outfits, but not so painful. So hope you enjoy. several hours actually, and now we're here to paint my nails. It's such a habit for me to look at the viewfinder instead of the camera. I'm so cold. I'm gonna turn on my heater, you guys, so that's the noise. If you hear a noise, that's my heater because I'm literally freezing. Today, we are going to be painting my nails for my video, obviously. So here's the thing. I wanted to paint my nails like black and be all like edgy, like the whole video is about. I can't do that for some reason. I just can't. So I'm just not willing to do it. I'm sorry. So I have this like dark blue shade that I'm gonna do. We'll see how this goes. Obviously, y'all, excuse me, why'd you turn off? Oh my gosh. Oh my. Ugh. Okay, so basically you won't see what I'm doing, but I'll update you in crap. Oh my gosh. Kind of a mess right now. Kind of been a mess for the last like week or and a half. Okay, sorry the lighting's just like kind of bummy, but it's fine. You can get over it. I'm so excited. I painted my nails this morning. I got this video idea in the afternoon. Took off my nail polish. I painted my nails this color this morning. A big difference here. Dude, I basically should be painting my nails black. What am I doing? Why am I doing this video? Like, what am I trying to say? What is the message I'm spreading? You should... What? Not saying you have to change yourself, just exploring a new side of me. Kinda hate this color because it's so dark. Who is she? I don't paint my nails, okay? Here's the thing. I rarely paint my nails. I just don't. I don't have the time. For people who have the time, especially at my age, to do stuff, like my friend, she can paint her nails anytime she wants. How does she have time? I have no clue. See y'all in the morning. Alexa, pause. Hi, good morning. Day one of my experiment. Okay, it's Monday. First off, it's very weird to have this nail polish because it's just so dark. So we're gonna get started with the makeup because I have to get ready for school now. So Alexa, play. I do have almost, I think this is almost all of them. If it's not all of them, these are the best ones. I can find all my silver rings because I hate mixed matching rings. I have so many rings, but a lot of them, they're like half and half. Some of them are silver, some of them gold, and I have a silver ring right now, so I don't really want to like mix that up. So we're just gonna go with the silver. I don't know. I feel like people who are edgy wear, I used to wear so many rings. That's the thing. But should I wear it on this finger? Why not? I guess that's all I'll do because I don't have any pinky rings. Do I have any pinky rings? I don't really. This one doesn't really fit. But we could just like add it right here. Okay, so now that we have the rings on, I'm gonna go see if my mom has any better ones. Okay, so I think that's what we're going for today. I have to get ready for school. Okay, bye. Oh my gosh. Hi, I've got to tell you my outfit. I have you guys on a tripod, so I'm not going to bring you to my big mirror, but I'll just tell you here. So, my pants are from Brandy Melville, and so is this shirt that says baby girl, and so is my belt. This is my cousin, so I actually don't know whose it is, but yeah. And then I think I'm going to wear my Converse, my high top dirty white Converse. They're so gross. Okay, peace. Hi. So, it is currently after school now. I look like a hot mess. Because I always do after school. So, what happened today? How did it go? Not really any different because I basically wore an outfit I would wear any day. So, it wasn't that big of a deal. I did get a couple comments on my rings. By the way, are so uncomfortable. Like, anyway, so it wasn't that big of a difference. Tomorrow's outfit is going to be a little weird because I don't wear things like that. I don't know. I might tweak it a little bit. Any of these outfits I might tweak just a little bit. I'll show you guys obviously, but you know how it is being a girl. Okay, see you in the morning. I'm so tired. Be scared, but without them, still just drinking can't go over. I've been around, I always do. Hey, I'm dressed finally, and this is the new outfit. A little bit different. I got this leather jacket last night from my cousin's house because I really wanted to wear a leather jacket. So this is, I don't know, it's my cousin's. This is thrifted, Brandy Melville, Topshop, Converse. So I have my rings on. So I'm not wearing as many as I did yesterday because that was just way too much. So I'm also having a terrible hair day, so that's really grand. I guess I'll see you guys later.
Hi, it's Wednesday and I am the most tired person on earth right now. So I'm running late, so I'm just gonna really quickly show you my outfit. I did change the shirt because I felt like I was like more like grungy and goth and like edgy. So I changed it to this shirt that's my mom's. This sweatshirt is actually Summer's merch, just in black. I changed that too because the other one was just way too bulky. My shoes are Adidas and my leggings. I changed the leggings too because I just can't wear jeans today. And yeah. So, they're Lululemons, by the way. So, see you guys later. Hi, I'm back. I forgot to mention that I painted my nails black last night. Well, my mom did. Which I kind of feel like fits the personality better and looks good. I have my rings on. Peace. Okay, so basically here's the deal. Okay, I'm gonna tell you the deal. So I have not been filming a lot and not updating after school about what my edginess has been like because I've been too lazy, and I didn't really record this morning because, by the way, it's Wednesday, because you guys have already seen me got ready for really long, for like twice, and it wasn't necessary. So basically Tuesday, well, I'll start off with Tuesday. Tuesday was really good. I did get a lot of comments on my leather jacket, which was kind of sweet. And then today I got some more comments, not really that much because I don't feel like people are really noticing. I did get some comments about my black nail polish because that is not like me, but yeah, it's kind of weird because it's like I was so nervous for it, but really no one's really noticed and like cared at all except like my friends who also don't really care that much. So it's not really that big of a deal. To me it's a big deal, and to me I can tell like a big huge difference. But the thing is tomorrow is supposed to be literally 78 degrees on the week that I'm being edgy, and so I don't want to wear black. So this is my problem. I don't know what to do. I might just not be edgy tomorrow but be edgy on Friday because it's supposed to be cold again on Friday. So I don't know. Hi everyone. So it is currently non-focus. So it is currently Friday? Yeah, it's Friday. And I just thought I'd show you my outfit. Yesterday was so nice and sunny that I wore a skirt and a sweatshirt, so it wasn't really anything special. But today's outfit I feel like it's kind of edgy in a Billie Eilish way, and I don't know, I feel like her. So let's show you. So this shirt I thrifted. This sweatshirt is Summer's merch, the white one. They're just really comfy and they're really good for underneath. And then this is from Brandy Melville. My leggings are Lululemons. My shoes are Converse. My hair is up in some, I don't even know what. And like squirrely buns, but they're like falling apart. I don't know. We'll see if they actually last. So peace. Hello, Earthlings. My hair is just like an absolute mess. I don't even care. Hi, everyone. What is up? Okay, so it's currently Tuesday the 23rd, so it's been like a week after I did this experiment, and I thought I would just come and recap for you guys what happened, because I know this video is really long, and I'm sorry, it's probably really boring, but whatever, it's fine. So basically, we started off the week me being super nervous. I saw the footage, I was kind of freaking out. I was just nervous because it wasn't like me, and so I was kind of nervous for the people in my class to see that side of me because they haven't really seen that side of me. I started the week off very nervous, but the first day wasn't that big of a deal. People did notice my rings, but my outfit was kind of just like a regular outfit, so it wasn't that big of a difference. And then Tuesday, I got a couple stares at my leather jacket, but still nothing too crazy. Same with Wednesday. I just don't feel like I was that edgy. I think what I've noticed is that my style is pretty edgy. Not like super edgy, like grunge edgy, but like edgy to the point where it's just like I'm not wearing pink or I'm not girly, you know, because that's just not who I am. So that's kind of what I found out of this experience. Obviously I didn't do Thursday because it was so nice, and I just wanted to wear a really cute frilly outfit. I wore a cute little blue skirt. So yeah. Anyway, honestly, it wasn't that big of a difference, but I did feel in a way more confident in myself just because I felt like I don't know what it was about. I've heard people say they feel more confident when they're dressing more masculine, or you know, they're a little bit more edgy, and I can totally testify to that. But overall, it was a really fun experience, and it was really cool to know that that side of me is actually, you know, a part of me more than I actually thought it was. And yeah, if you guys want me to do more videos like this where I try and explore different types of my personality, which there's a lot, let me know. And yeah, I love you guys so much, and do not forget, never step on zero bus. Bye.